Hi, I'm Divya for Spidergy. We have Shruti ma'am with us today, who is not only a young entrepreneur but also a motivational speaker. She is a managing director, a management trainee. She was a senior associate in the City Union Bank and also had a degree in applied psychology. Ma'am, we're very glad to have you here.
Thank you so much, Divya, for having me on your platform.
Thank you, ma'am. My first question to you is why did you start a business when you already had a job in a bank?
So, my thought light is after my MBA, I immediately got selected into City Union Bank, where I was working for about 4 years. So, from 2013 to 2017, I was working. But the thing is, I had an accident. I had a spinal cord injury, which pushed me to resign my job from there. And I had an accident in 2015. I prolonged it till 2017, but health came as the first priority, so that made me to leave my job. So I started this venture in 2018 March. I am having a very long hair. Okay, till knee length I used to have. People used to ask me like, "Oh my God, you have a wonderful hair. How are you maintaining and all?" So I thought like even after several interviews, failed interviews, I thought like I shouldn't be shrinking myself at home. I want to do something. So I thought like why shouldn't I start this itself as a business? Okay, first I started as a hair care tips only. So later on I started preparing the hair oil, which is the recipe of my grandmother. We used to prepare our own hair oil since a long time. Like it's been 2 or 3 decades.
That's very moving, ma'am. So my second question to you is, how do you plan on growing your business?
We are planning to expand through shops also. We have already reached more than 300 customers in 1 year. So before lockdown. So which means like I personally have a target like one customer per day. So that is the target. And I also have the thought of getting reference and the reputation. That is the success mantra of my company. See, it is like how repetitively your customer is coming. So that creates the brand loyalty. So that is how the plan is.
That's very helpful, ma'am. That is good. So my third question to you is, what were the mistakes you did in your business you wished you could have avoided?
The first 3 years in the business is just learning. So I am still on the learning mode, and there should be like we should survive in the business at least for 1,000 days, which is 3 years consistently, so that we can see more of the mistakes. We can learn a lot through that, and we can be on the big level, big step. The mistake is like I created a brand, but I am not focusing on the brand loyalty and all. So the biggest mistake till now I have made in my business is we didn't market as others do. We are still on the learning phase, and we market only through WhatsApp right now. Okay, maybe after 2 years, maybe after 3 years of tenure, we may go to all these Instagram, Facebook marketing and all. So social media marketing is not there. So that is the biggest mistake that we are doing right now.
Yes, ma'am, that's completely true, whatever you've spoken. That's a very fine answer. So, my final question to you is, what are the biggest lessons you've learned, and what advice would you like to give the people who are afraid to change their career path?
We cannot judge anything on our career at any point of time. When you have a strong urge to do something, you should definitely do it. You should always believe in your instinct. See, everybody will say everything when it comes to business. Even when I started my business, my family members used to discourage, like, see, business and all, you will not be able to do it. But you should believe that, okay, fine. See, this is my plan. This is what I am going to do. It is not that you are going to discourage their idea, or you are going to disrespect them. You should believe in you, and you should believe in your instinct.
That was very inspiring, ma'am. That was some really moving words. We're very glad that you took out some time for us from your busy schedule. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to share my story to you. I wish your Spider G team reach the pinnacle of success. And thank you so much.